Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sumit Nishe. Today we learn about the event filtering, how event filtering works in Angular, what is the use of that event filtering, why we use the event filtering. That all part will be covered in this video. If you are newcomers in my channel, you just like, share and subscribe to your friends as well. If you want to upgrade your skills, I uploaded lots of other videos also, other technologies videos also I'm uploading. Spring Boot, Angular, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, TypeScript. Lot of range are there. If you're prepared for the interview, interview questions also I'm uploading in this my channel. You can just go through the playlist and you will get all the things. Now we can start our today's video. First, the event filtering. Basically, event filtering is used to apply event on a specific key on the keyboard. You can use any key on the keyboard for that event binding. For that, first we have to use a basic keyboard events. In the previous video, I just explaining how basic keyboard event is work. That is a key up event and key down event. If you not check out that video, just go through that video. You will get the videos on my iTab also, as well as you can get that video on my playlist as well. Now, event filtering means you have to perform event on a specific key. That event will be work on any key. So to understand the concept, we just come down here. In the last video, we just learned these things. I just want to comment these things for your understanding purpose. Otherwise, it will be rendering in the output. So for that, I'm just using another input box. Just mentioning here placeholder. Uh, enter the name. Just mention that. Enter the name. Oh, enter the name. Now we can just apply a event binding. Event filtering, use a event binding. For that we use open close bracket. You can use any event, okay? That keyboard event, key up event and key down event. Instead of that, I'm just using a key up event. On the key up event, we can just press a dot and mention a specific key name. That specific key name has its own specific code given by the Angular. If I want to apply that event on enter key, I'm just mentioning here enter, but that enter is a key code present in the Angular. That Angular also define every keyboard key for the key code in our documentation. So you can just go through the documentation. You will get the key code of each and every keyboard keys. So I'm just using for the demo purpose enter key. When I press a enter key, that event will be occur. Otherwise, that event will not be occur. So I'm just mentioning the event handler on key enter, and on key enter, I'm just use a event handler in my component file, that is a TS file. Create that things and just mention here simple console.log. We just cross check it, check that key enter, enter key will be occur, or enter key is pressed. We just mentioned that enter key is pressed. Just cross check it whether it is working or not. You can apply any input box or any tag on HTML, but most of the general case we use an input box. For that, I'm using input box. Now come down to our, I'm just opening the inspect console, browser console, and just mention here, for example, I'm writing the good name Sumit. Still, I'm not be pressing any enter key. While I'm entering a keyboard enter key, see, I'm just entering the enter key. The event is occurred. Enter key is pressed. According to that, your particular key is used for that event filtering. As same, if you want to apply the event filtering on space bar, you can apply, use it. If you want to apply on a event filtering on a specific up arrow, down arrow, space bar, control key, alt key, you can use it. Instead of that, you can just write key up, make a dot, and mention your keyboard code, keyboard key code. That is enter is a key. It's a key code we have to enter. That key code is a standardized key code that present on Angular website. You can just go through the documentation angular.io website. You will get all the key code or specific key. Here I'm just using a enter key. Hope so this information you understand. If you like this information, just press a like button. Your one support is for helpful for me. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.